Lovely people, and welcome to my channel. Yeah, Mr. Gamer XE here. Today I found a method how to use mod engine 2 on your Elden Ring, crack Elden Ring, because there's a lot of people are struggling how to play mod which it cannot be merged using our SmithBox. But today we are going to use SmithBox plus mod engine 2 plus our mod which we only play through our mod engine 2, and it's called Mechanu mod engine pack. Okay, Mechanu. So it's a mod engine that you can use a secure type of sword art, and there are a lot of things. So today we're going to do this mod on this cracked version of Elden Ring. Now I'll let you know how to use it, because if you use directly like this and install, so it will show you that save data is corrupted. So I'll get used to it first. Okay, I'll let you know how to get rid of that error. So first thing first, we need to head to the, like I told you, head to the Nexus mod. Okay, download your mod first. Okay, because it's a 1.5 or 1.3 GB. It's a mod file size. Okay, so we have Mechanu there, new mod pack. We need to this one, movist one. Okay, movist one. Okay, moveset or whatever is movist. Okay, moveset mod pack. We need to use this one. Okay, now this one, this is old version. This is for the old version, which is the first of the Elden Ring game version. You don't need to download this one. You need to download this one. Okay. Now, first you have to see here, there's no requirement. Okay. Now, this ad, what to do. Okay, what to do. See, the weapon can be bought at the Calais. So the first one, which is Church of Allah, there's a merchant. You can buy the weapon from him. Also buy the weapon of Gujo and Sokona. Be bought at the, I don't know what's the head, but I never found this kind of merchant before. So leave that part. We need to be head to this one. Okay, so you can read everything first. Important, this mod will cause buggy shadow with the RTX on. Turn it off. If you have a copy of Elden Ring, like same copy of Elden Ring, you don't need to do anything. Just install normally the mod in mod engine 2 because it's work perfectly. Okay. And if you have correct version, what he said correct version are not recommended, as it will definitely cause some bugs. Don't worry about that. There's nothing happened, that such thing. When I tell you how to install this amazing mod pack, you will be know that it is amazing. Okay, so just follow my step. Download this one. Okay, log in first. Make sure you're logged in. Okay, then you can download the first one. Which version do you have? You can install this one. Okay, this is the latest version. It's updated on 12th of August, so you have to download this part. Get this one, download this one. It says size is 1.8 GB. Okay, I already done it, so I don't need it. So second thing, you need to have to SmithBox, and you need to have mod engine 2. You know how to download mod engine 2 and SmithBox. Just Google it. Okay, SmithBox, because SmithBox came to update for yesterday, from yesterday. Okay, SmithBox is updated yesterday. So we can head to the here. You see that? Yesterday. Okay. Today is 14th. It's came in out a new version in 13th of August. Today is 14th. Okay. So yeah. So we have to download the latest version of SmithBox, and we have to download latest mod engine 2. If you download mod engine, you have to download mod engine 2, latest version of mod engine 2. Okay. Whatever it has, you have to download this one. But I want to show you something about SmithBox. Okay, if you have a low requirement PC, you need to download this zip file. For example, you don't have using any RTX PCs or RTX laptop, such as I have the Lenovo one. It's very perfect. It's RTX and it's very fast. So I'm using this one, the first one, because it's I never have any problem with that. If you have a low requirement PC, you can use this one. It will help your PC to run more fast, and it will be not stuck when you export or import the param from the any mod. Okay, so yeah, just two things, you can download it. What we need to do first, we need to do unzip this one. Okay, unzip. Let's go unzip first. Okay, this video is going to be longest video on my channel, so yeah, sit tight follow each step. Make sure you follow all of the steps. When you follow all of the steps, you will know how to install this mod, because this mod only can work on Mod Engine 2. Mod Engine 2, not work on without Mod Engine, because they have some part. I'm going to show you what part they have. If you go here inside, okay, if you go to mod, do you see that? This one. We need this one, this folder. Okay, they already have this pin. We cannot replace this pin in the mod, because you know it will show you how it happened. Okay, for example, um, if I say I can get back this one, okay, I can copy all of that. Okay, copy all of that. I want to show you that I'm not using any Steam version of Elden Ring. Okay, because this one is oldest one, oldest. You need to just copy two things, this one and this one. We don't need this one because we'll unzip our Mod Engine 2 latest one. Okay, don't use this one. Okay, copy these two. What is that? Script data and mod. Okay, just go to the Elden Ring, click right click and open the file location and get here, and Control V, just paste here. Okay, now we have two things here. Okay, now we don't need nothing. I will get to used to it, because I'm going to show you that this is the same problem with me. So before I start the method, how to use the method to work this mod, first let's get to the basic things. Okay, now unzip this one. Sorry, unzip this one. Unzip the Mod Engine 2. Excuse my language, excuse my English, because I'm not really native speaker, but I do try to speak like them. Yeah, so yeah, get here. What you need, you don't need this one. Press control and click each of them. We don't need Dark Soul, we don't need this one, we don't need Tommel of that Dark Soul, and this one. Okay, delete them. We don't need this one, we need this one. And also delete this folder, mod folder. Okay, just all click, control copy. Okay, now we get back to the game folder and copy and paste here. Okay, now yep, because we already have the mod folder here, right? If I'm not wrong, let me refresh it so you can see we already have mod folder. We already put these things. Okay, this is the project. It's they do use DPS. Okay, DPS Studio. This is the oldest one per project. If you open this one in your SmithBox, it won't be open, so we don't need this one. Leave this one. Okay, it doesn't matter. So let's get back to it. Okay, because I have cracked version of Elden Ring, I want to show you something. I'll get here because I cannot open the game from this bat file. Okay, I will open from the launcher. Make sure you have to open your game from the launcher. Do not use bat, not work. Okay, because you don't have Steam copy of Elden Ring. Okay, so you have to do this one. So click here. I'm going to show you that this is the same problem with me too. I'm using cracked version of Elden Ring. So let's get to basic things. I'll show you how to get rid of that error. Because I'm using controller, so yeah, let me connect my controller real quick. Okay. Yep, it's connected now. Now I want to show you that because of that revolution, see that? Do you see that? Failed to save game. Save data is corrupted. That means we cannot play. Let's go. Let's go. Just close it, okay? And close this one. Now what we do here, first, we don't need this mod file. Okay? This mod file. Let's create a folder. Create a folder. Any folder. Give it name. Test. Whatever. We need to create two folders. Okay? Test. Moveset. Again, test moveset. Okay? Let's go. Now we can open this one folder, and you need to cut this one. You don't need this regulation pin. You don't need it. Just cut and copy paste here. Just leave this one. Okay? Leave in the game directory and keep this old file, or make sure this one you already have. Okay? Script data. If you don't have, you cannot play that mod. So let's go. Close this one. Now we'll use this folder to extract all of the param to create a new regulation pin. Okay? Let's create another folder. Okay? we can go give that folder name test move. Okay, test move. So remember that first I created folder name was test move set, which is we have regulation bin in here. You see that this is the name. You can give the name any name you want. Just remember, okay, what are you doing now? Let's head to the SmithBox. I'm going to be showing you something real quick. Okay, create new project, give the name as you have the folder name, move set. Okay, directory, we have directory. Which directory we use created this test? Remember that test move set. This folder has the resolution bin. Okay, get in here. Import row names if you have in your the mod, doesn't matter. So now we need to have the empty folder. This is our empty folder. Okay, select here. We need to create our new resolution bin here. Oh wait, no. This is the later. Sorry, I'm just a little bit messed up. Okay, no, just project here. Okay, that one, because we need to extract file first. We need to extract prom or param, whatever you call them. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you remember. Okay, now we can head to the game folder, game, and executable. Click here. Okay, this one. Remember, one more time. This one is, we have, go to the desktop. This one, this folder has the regulation bin, but you can't see it. Okay, but this folder had, remember this folder name, we have the regulation bin in it. Okay, now executable, and this one, because with this regulation bin is not work with our latest version of Elden Ring. Remember, because this regulation bin has a different coding, different number, so we cannot use with that one because they have two different regulation bin. We have one regulation bin, real regulation bin, original regulation bin in our in the game directory, so we cannot use this one. Okay, because they have a different value, so they will conflict each other and they will corrupt the data. So let's head it, create. So wait for this one here when it's going to be a little bit low light, like just task complete. Okay, load meta, so you can head to the param. Just click here, modified, like we used to do. Like last time you saw my video how to extract file. So you need to extract all of that, all the files, all these param. Okay, all param. Right down here, I will just do one because I already done it, so I don't need to explain again this one. Modified. Okay, modified. Do you see that? Just click here, select all, go to data, export, quick action, export entire param into the file. Now, where do you need to save this file, this param file? You need to save the param. Where is the resolution bin? This one here, the resolution bin. You need to save here and give the exact name you have here, exact name, so you can remember that which param you need to add in the next one to create another resolution bin. Okay, so let's go this one. Okay, you need to go to it. We are exporting first. Okay, then we import. Let's go do it now. Give the acid. Okay, acid environment, I guess, and whatever geo, just give the geo. Okay, not give the older name, just give the short name. Okay, to save it. Okay, now this is our saved. Now wait for it because a little bit take time because it's too much value in it. So hold on for a while. Okay, so we can do the next part. Now first you need to export all these values which is modified one by one, like this, the way I told you. Okay, export and save the same folder which you have resolution bin. Okay, I'm using the latest updated of this one, how to call it, SmithBox. Okay, so you need to download the latest one. This came yesterday. Now it's finished, it's saved. Now if you head to the movies, if you head to the test movies, you have these things. Okay, resolution bin, you have saved the one param already here, which is already, just give it name. Okay, this resolution bin is the oldest one. Okay, so leave this one. What do you do when you finish this one? When you exporting all the param in the folder, when you finish that, you need to start a new project. Start a new project. You need to give them whatever's move. Then you need to select the folder, empty folder we test move, and you need to executable, just executable. Okay, now this time you have to import the files. Okay, remember, import and create new regulation bin. Now wait for it, wait for it. Checks reference, complete task, very good. Now what you have to see, you see, no param are added. These are nothing here because we are taking everything from the original regulation bin values from here. There's nothing add. So what do you need? You took the first one, it's called this one. Okay, so what do you need? Go setting and import CSV file from files, all fields. Okay, and go to the folder which you save that param. I'm just telling you how to export and import. We already told you. I have old videos. You can watch it for the better understanding. Okay. So if you go here, you can export this one. Click here. Okay. Click here. That's it. See that? Already modified. If you do right, modified. Look here. Okay. So I'm not going to do this one because I already have the params. Okay. I already have the params. So we can create a new params. Okay. So you know how to import, okay? Because if you want, I can show you where are the params I have. Now, next param I have this one. Okay, I have the param. Look here. I already export all the param here, and I already created a new regulation bin. So I don't want to take your old time to importing and exporting. So I'm going to show you how it done. Okay, so export, import, done. Now how do you do it? I already done it. Okay, I already done this one. I already exported all that one. This is my exported movies param, all of them in here. And if I have to head to that, where is that my here movies mod. So this is my project, which is I just added. Create a new regulation bin to use this regulation bin because I already add my old param from moveset param or from param to add to create a new regulation bin here, like I used here. Test move. See that test move already have here. Okay. So we need to do, when you save the file, it will create your param. For example, you cannot see this one. For example, if I take you here, if I test move, okay, you cannot see that regulation been created yet. When it will be show you when you go here on the file, when you add all of the param, import all the param in this regulation bin and save all the param. When you save all the param, it will create a regulation bin in your folder, which you folder, choose this folder. Okay, if you don't know, let me show you. For example, I'm going to show you this one. Okay, I save here, save all param, save params. Okay, now I can show again, save params. Now when I use this one and go here, test folder, see that? Oh no, sorry, not this one. This is test movies. This one, see that? I got a regulation bin. Because why? Because this one is the oldest one, which we took the things and we can rate it. We don't need this one. We need this one. Okay, just add one param here. But I'm not going to use import and export today. I'm going to show you how to use mod engine 2, how to get rid of that save data is corrupt. Okay, that one. Now let's move next part. I done already. I have a params. I finished that one. Now I have this one. Okay, this is my project I was been doing. I've been testing. Okay, now let's head to that game file. Okay, game file. Open the file location. Now what we have, we have mod. Okay, we have the mod, this one. Okay, we have this one. We remove that one because that's creating a problem with that. Now you can see everything here. Make sure this data scripts data must be here, exposure. Okay, and this one I will start from here. Now if I show you without anything, I'm going to show you I don't have anything, no mod yet added. Okay, there's nothing. I can use from here, I can use from there because there's no regulation bin, so there's nothing. So the cal or whatever is called the merchant name, we don't have any weapons that I'm trying to use. See, nothing here. But I can use this one. If I close this one here and open this file from here, I can show you from here, from London. Because most of the people, most of the YouTuber, they you know what to do, how to get rid of save data is corrupted or corrupt, because they use the main vanilla Elden Ring application to open it. So there's nothing, there's mod not working. They're making lies of the people who was watching. So let's go to it. Yeah. Because I don't have regulation bin, I have just only one regulation bin. Okay, only one regulation bin, but don't have regulation bin. Let's show you something. He don't have any weapons. Yeah, I can show you in my inventory. I don't have any weapon. See that? I didn't purchase any weapon. So if you go to this merchant, talk to him.
Well, you're back.
See, he doesn't have any weapon around here. Okay, that you weapon that he doesn't have any weapon
for now.
So what we do? Return back. Get back to return here. Okay, let's add the regulation bin I created. I told you how to create. Okay, with mod, copy this one because I already add my params in this regulation bin. I export from this regulation bin here. I already have this regulation bin. This is the oldest one. Okay, this one. I extract my or export my old param and save here all the param. Okay, and import my param to create a new regulation bin. Let's go. Copy. Sorry, my bad. Control C. Copy. Okay, now head to the mod and paste here. Paste here. Voila. Nothing. Okay, because this regulation bin and this regulation, this is the original regulation bin from the Elden Ring. Cracked copy of the Elden Ring. This is original regulation bin. Nothing changed, nothing, no modded. Okay, original vanilla type. Okay, but this one, if you see this one in the mod, we have another regulation bin and they have different values. Okay, they have different values. You can check it out. How much this one and how much this one. This is the original one. Now we can start our game one again. One more. Launch from Mod Engine 2 launcher. Okay. Because I tried this one to use my regulation bin without modding it 2, but it's not work. I already tested. No weapon shows on Calais. Okay, so when I try this one with the modding 2, now you can see how it disappeared. The save data is corrupted. It's gone. See that? Nothing. Now if I continue, there's no error. That means the mod is working. Now how to know the mod is working? You need to head to him again one more time and talk to him. When you look here, see that? He has all the weapon. Voila. I already bought this weapon before, okay? So make sure I can buy again. Let me see if I still have this weapon in my inventory. Let me see if I have this weapon in my inventory. No, I don't have actually. See? Because I deleted everything and I tried to use again. You can purchase this weapon. Okay, this one, this weapon. All this as the best weapon. Okay, purchase this weapon first. 500. Well, sorry, 5,000 runes. Let's go. Test this one. Because this weapon you need Dex 15 and Faith Faith 30. Okay, so you can select this weapon. Now you see that? If I try this one. Did you see that? They have a 2 flame of this one. Let's try to another weapons.
What is it?
I want to buy these one, but they have different, they have different skills. I do not have that one. Now this one weapon needs strength 20, intel 20. This weapon needs 15 strength and 30 dex. This weapon, so I don't have that one. I did not level up my player, so I just use this one. When you have level up this one, you can use this one like this. Like that, okay, and they have a very good damage. If you don't have FPS, doesn't matter. You can do this one without FPS. You can also give them damage. Like this, okay? So you don't need to worry about that. Let's test this mod to the enemies. Okay, let's go. Let's test this mod to the enemies. Now mod engine is working. Again, mod engine is working perfectly. You can see that I'm using that moveset. Is that? Yep, it's working perfectly. Okay. I'm trying to make the shortest video this one possible. I don't want to show you again input and export the CSV file one more time because you know how to do it. Okay, that's it. It's working. You have to launch from the Mod Engine 2 launcher. Okay, from this one. When you launch this Mod Engine 2, your mod will work. Okay, because I already replaced that regulation bin without these one. So that mod it it wasn't work. So you have to do with this one and keep the original regulations saved somewhere else. If somehow some way you replaced by mistake, you can copy from the another place to copy here. Okay, use the original one, this one, and the one you created to use this one. There's nothing in there. Okay, just need to change the regulation bin. You need to change the regulation bin. Do not use the regulation bin which you given to you in the mod file. In this one file, they give you the mod file. For example, this one, they give you the regulation bin. This one, don't choose this one because this is the oldest one. They don't know when they modify and which version of the game they modify. Okay, so don't use this one. For the cracked version, it's problem. For the copy of Elden Ring, I don't know it's problem or not problem because I never tried. So you can use this way. Okay, so yeah, this is the older video, and thank you so much for watching. And yeah, have a lovely time.